Smart spending after 50, the joy brand shift. There's a shift that happens after 50. You stop wanting more stuff and start wanting more meaning, more peace, more memories, more life in your days. And your money? It needs to follow that shift too. At Thrive, we call it the joy per rand shift. Spending in a way that brings deep satisfaction, not just short-term dopamine. It is not about being tight-fisted or frugal. It's about being intentional with your money. It fuels the things that make your heart beat faster, not your stress levels. Let's explore how. From budget to a spending plan. The word budget makes most of us feel like naughty school kids. Restricted, limited, and on the back foot. So, let's call it what it really is. A spending plan. A spending plan isn't about cutting back on joy. It is making your money reflect what matters most to you. Whether it is a Saturday wine date, that gift for your grandchild, or a weekly Pilates class that keeps your body moving and your soul smiling. Ask yourself, is this bringing me long-term joy or just short-term relief? Find your why and spend around it. Behind every smart spender is a powerful why. Maybe it's the freedom to take spontaneous road trips. Maybe it is making sure your mum always has what she needs. Maybe it is having breathing space at month end so that you can sleep in peace. When you know the why, decisions become easier. You stop chasing status or sales and start choosing based on meaning. That is the joy brand mindset. Start small, but start. Don't try and overhaul everything overnight. Choose one category, like groceries, online shopping, or eating out, and just observe for 1 week or two. No shame, just awareness. Often this simple act of noticing where your money goes creates a gentle reset. And then you start to realize you are not bad with money. You just hadn't aligned it with your values. Keep the joy fund sacred. This is not about deprivation. We all keep little sparks of joy regularly. A Friday cappuccino at your favorite cafe. A charity donation that feels so good. A new plant, a silk scarf, whatever gives you that quiet inside. Build a line into your spending plan called Joy Fund, Soul Budget, or Play Money. It is not frivolous, it is fuel for the journey. Oh yes, and slow down this one. Some categories like wine, takeaways, take-a-lot temptations, or any other online purchases, Temu, or fast movers. Swipe, tap, regret. In those areas, try going cash only for a month. Yes, even just 500 Rand in a zipped pouch. This will not really work for online purchases, but you can do it for all other stuff. Physically, handing over notes slows you down just enough to ask, do I really want this? Or am I just bored, sad, or scrolling? You'd be amazed what a tiny pause can do. Grace for slip-ups. Oh, I've overspent. forget to track, order something you didn't need. That's okay. It is not about perfection. It is about progress. Smart spending isn't rigid. It is responsive. When you slip, ask gently, what happened there? Then breathe, reset, and carry on. You are not behind. You are becoming. Spend on what strengthens you. Smart spending isn't always about saving. Sometimes it is about strategic investment in you. And lastly, every rand has a purpose. You have earned your rands through hard work, sacrifice, showing up day after day. Now, it's time to let those rands work for you, to reflect your joy, your values, and your dreams. That is the Joy Rand shift. Start small, stay kind, and spend in ways that feel light, free, and true to who you are becoming. And keep thriving. Thanks for watching.